If you're planning to lose weight, guava leaves are one of the most effective home remedies to help you achieve your goals. In this video, we'll run through why that is and how to use guava leaves for weight loss. At the end of the video, we'll also show you how to find other amazing plant-based remedies. First of all, let's start off with the why. 1. Guava leaves improve your metabolism to burn fat. A study shows that guava leaves are very beneficial for improving your metabolism. It regulates your metabolic activity while fulfilling your body's daily needs for protein and other important minerals. 2. They're high in fiber. The fruit contains 9 grams of fiber, which makes it an ideal weight loss fruit. It keeps you full and reduces the amount of saturated fat your body absorbs. 3. Guava leaves help control blood sugar. Most of the time, the carbs that you eat tend to convert into sugar and get stored in the fat cells. Drinking guava leaf tea can prevent these complex carbs turning into sugar and hence keeps you safe from gaining excess weight. 4. They improve quality of sleep. Lack of proper sleep is also one of the leading causes of weight gain because lack of sleep can prevent your body from functioning properly. By drinking guava leaf tea regularly, its beneficial sleep-inducing properties will help you lose excess weight. 5. Guava leaves can act as a stress reliever. Various studies about stress have shown it's a leading cause of weight gain around your tummy and belly area. A stressed person tends to accumulate more fat inside his body than a calm and happy person. Guava leaf tea can help to relieve stress and keep your body healthy and fit. So how can you use guava leaves for weight loss? Mostly people prefer drinking guava tea for losing weight. You can also dry guava leaves and make fine powder and consume it to lose weight. To make guava leaf tea, get 6 to 7 fresh guava leaves from your garden if you're lucky enough to grow them, or you can purchase them. You'll also need 2 glasses of water. Next, clean the guava leaves with fresh water because they can be filled with dust that can decrease the quality of the tea. Now boil the washed guava leaves with the 2 glasses of water on a low flame. After boiling for about 10 minutes, the water will go a light red color. You can now stop the stove. Finally, use a sieve to remove the leaves and it's ready to drink when it's cooled a bit. If you want to make it taste sweeter, just add some honey to it. If you've enjoyed this video and want more plant-based remedies, then check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine. And you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.